So, today we will read vernier caliper. What is vernier caliper? Think the case of ordinary scale which can measure up to 1 mm. Further, it cannot measure. In order to avoid this difficulty, vernier scale was invented. Okay, this vernier scale can measure up to 0.001 cm or further. Okay, now we'll see what is the mechanism behind it. What is a vernier caliper and what is the mechanism of it? A vernier scale has two scales. One is the main scale and other is this is main scale and this is vernier scale. Okay, now the mechanism is let this part has Y division and it exactly coincide with the X division of the main scale. Okay, it has Y division and it has X division. Okay, let's see. Okay, now the length of Y division is equal to the length of X division of the main scale. Length of the Y division of the vernier scale is equal to the length of the X division of the main scale, and the main scale has graduation A unit. Let's see, that means one main scale division is equal to A unit. Okay, in that case we have to calculate the least count or it is called vernier constant is equal to 1 MSD main scale division, length of one main scale division minus 1 VSD, that is length of one vernier scale division. We know already 1 MSD is equal to A unit and we have to calculate the length of 1 VSD. We know the Y division, length of Y division of the vernier scale is equal to X division of the main scale division. Okay, length of, then length of 1 VSD is equal to X by Y MSD, that is length of X by Y MSD. We know that 1 MSD is equal to A unit, then X by Y MSD is equal to X by Y into A unit. Okay, this is equal to 1 VSD. 1 VSD is equal to X by Y MSD. is equal to x by y a unit. Okay. Now Vernier constant VC or least constant is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD is equal to 1 MSD is equal to a unit minus x by y a unit. This is equal to a into 1 minus x by y unit or equal to a into y minus x by y. Okay. Now if most of the cases y minus x is equal to 1, that is the Vernier division has extra division than the main scale. If it has n plus 1 division, then it has n division. When n division, main scale has, if main scale has n division, then the Vernier scale has n plus 1 division. Okay. If y has 10 division, this is 9 division. That is 9 division of the main scale is equal to 10 division of the Vernier scale. Then what will be the length of the 1 VSD? Obviously 9 by 10 mm, that is 0.9 mm. Okay. And number of division of the Vernier scale is greater than number of the main scale by 1. Okay. It has 1 division greater than the main scale. Okay. If y minus 1 is equal to y minus x is equal to 1 and y has 10 division and the graduation of the main scale is 1 mm, that is every scale has the generally 1 MST is equal to 1 mm, we know that. Okay. Then putting the values here, a is equal to 1 mm, y minus x is equal to 1, then number of division is equal to 10, this is equal to 0.1 mm is equal to 0.01 cm, that the least count of this Vernier scale is least count is equal to 0.01 cm. Okay. Now least count is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. This formula does not hold good for every Vernier scale. Generally, the Vernier scale has 1 extra division than the main scale, but in other cases it may be the Vernier scale has less number of division than the main scale, or the main scale has greater number of division than the Vernier scale. It may be, but generally it doesn't happen. In that cases, what will happen, we will see. Okay, later. But now we will see how to take reading of the Vernier scale. In order to take the reading of the Vernier scale, what we have to do? We have to do let this is the main scale, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 cm, okay, and it has 10 divisions 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, this is the main scale, and below it the vernier scale is there. Okay, now this is the zero mark of the vernier scale. Okay, now let it has, we have to see if the zero mark, we have to see the zero mark where it crossed the mark of the main scale. Let the zero mark of the vernier scale has crossed 2.1, okay, and it is here, okay, then in that case main scale reading is equal to 2.1. We'll count, and if it has 10 division 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 division. Okay, now if 1 2 3 4 5, the 5 division of the vernier scale exactly coincide any one of the division of the main scale, then the vernier scale reading will be 5. Okay, and if the least count or vernier constant of this instrument is 0.01 cm, then length of the rod that we have to measure, length is equal to main scale reading plus vernier scale reading into least count minus zero error, if any there. If zero error is there, then we have to subtract it. In that case, this is the main scale reading, which is 2.1, plus vernier scale reading is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 into 0.01. Okay, let the zero error is, it has no error, that is zero error, it has no zero error, then we have to, no need to subtract it. Then the length of the rod is 2.1 plus 0.05 is equal to 2.15 cm. Okay, this is how the reading of the vernier scale is taken. Okay, now what happens? Now we have to look at whether there is a zero error or not. What is a zero error? Zero error, let it to 0, 1 and 2. Okay, this is the main scale, This is the vernier scale. This is the 0 of the vernier scale. This is the 0 of the main scale. If 0 of the vernier scale coincide exactly with the 0 of the main scale, then there is no error. Okay, it has no error. Okay, if the 0 mark of the vernier scale rise right to the 0 mark of the main scale, that is, it is somewhere here, then it is called positive 0 error plus Z. Okay, let's see. Okay, in that case, what will happen if 0 mark of the vernier scale doesn't coincide of the main scale and it is right to the mark of the 0 of the main scale, then how to take reading, how to count, how to measure the 0 error. Okay, now it has 10 division. Let the 4th division coincides here. 4th division, let the 4th division of the vernier scale coincides with any one of the main scale. Then in that case, if it has least count of 0.1 mm, that is 0.01 cm, then the positive 0 error will be 4 into least count, that is 4 into 0.0401 least count, that is equal to 0.04 cm. This much length will be subtracted. This is, remember that the positive 0 is plus and the negative 0 is minus. Okay, in that case, what will this much amount will be subtracted from the main scale reading plus vernier scale reading. The true reading will be the main scale reading length, main scale reading plus vernier scale reading into least count minus 0.04. This much amount of will be subtracted. Okay. What about the negative 0 error? Let the negative 0 error is minus Z. Okay. Negative 0 error happens when the 0 mark of the vernier scale lies to the right of the, to the left of the 0 mark of the main scale. Okay, let how to count this distance, this length. Okay, why this length? This much of length will be subtracted. This is the negative 0 error. This much of the length will be subtracted, okay, from the reading. Let, in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, exactly the fifth division coincides with the any one of the main scale division, or this, or take it sixth division. Okay, the sixth division exactly coincides with the n1 mark of the, in that case this much of the distance will be we know that 1 VSD here is equal to 0.9 mm, okay, and 1 MSD here 1 mm. In that case this much of amount will be 6 into 0.9 mm, okay, minus this length, okay, this length is 1 2 3 4 5, okay, 5, okay, then this is 5.4 mm, and this much distance is 5.0 mm. Now the distance, this distance is, this is r, this r distance is 0.4 mm, okay. In this way we can calculate the negative zero error. In this case the negative zero error which will be subtracted from the counting, from the final counting, is minus 0.4 mm, okay. Or another method is there, this 6 division is coinciding with the n1 of the main scale division, then the amount, that is the zero error, negative zero error, is 10 minus 6 into least count, the coinciding division, that will be subtracted from the 10, that is 4 into least count is equal to 0.01 cm, okay, or mm, 0.1 mm, this is equal to 0.04 cm, okay. This amount will be subtracted, okay, either do this or do this, okay. The zero error which will be subtracted from the main scale reading plus vernier scale reading into least count is this much of m, okay. Either count this distance or see which mark of the vernier scale exactly coincide with the any one mark of the main scale, and subtract it from 10 and multiply it to least count, okay, minus zero error, okay. In this case don't do the mistake, okay. If the 6 mark of the vernier scale coincide with the any mark of the main scale, don't subtract it 6 into least count, this is wrong formula, okay. In this case the negative zero error is not negative zero error is not equal to 6 into least count, okay. This will be a wrong formula and this is the correct formula, okay. Either do this or do this. Now we are clear about how to take reading and clear about the zero errors, what we have to do. And how to take the readings. Okay, the cases we discussed here, least count is equal to y minus x by y into a calibration. Okay, into a, where the number of division y, VSD, that is vernier scale division, is greater than x, the main scale division, number of main scale division. What will be the case if the number of MSD is greater than y? Greater than y. What will be the case? Okay, in that case, what will be the least count of this instrument? Okay, now if 10 part of the vernier scale division coincides with the 8 part of the main scale division. Okay, find least count. Least count is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. Okay, 1 MSD is equal to 1 mm. 1 VSD here is what? 10 VSD is equal to 8 part of the MSD. 8 part of the MSD is equal to 8 mm. Okay, then 1 MSD is equal to 0.8 mm. That is, least count will be 0.2 mm. Is equal to 0.02 cm. Okay. Okay. Now, what if in another question, if the graduation of the main scale is 1 mm, okay, graduation then that is 1 MSD is equal to 1 mm, and 39 parts of MSD is equal to 20 parts of VSD. What will be the least count? Okay, here MSD is equal to MSD 39 parts is coinciding with the 20 parts of the VSD. Okay, MSD is greater than VSD. Okay, what will be the least count? If we put the formula, least count is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD, then what happens here? 1 MSD is equal to 1 mm minus 1 VSD. We have to count 20 parts is equal to 39 parts of MSD. Then 1 part is equal to 39 by 20 parts of MSD. This is equal to 139 mm. Okay, got it? This is equal to 1.95 mm. Okay, 1.95 mm. Least count is equal to minus 0.95 mm. Is it possible? No, least count cannot be negative here. Okay, then what is the What goes wrong here? The least count formula in this case will not be 1 MSD minus 1 BSD. Okay. Then the least count will be here as 1 MSD by total number of Vernier scale division. Okay. Here 1 MSD is equal to 1 mm by total number of Vernier scale division is equal to 20 is equal to what? 0.05 mm, that is equal to 0.005 cm. Least count is equal to this much. Okay, and this formula will be applied here. Okay. So while using the formulas we should be cautious. Which formula will be applied in which cases? Now one question is, the main scale division, one main scale division is 1 mm. Okay, 0 mark of the Vernier scale division lies between 1.15 and 1.15 and 1.2. Let's see. Okay. And 20 division of VSD is equal to 19 division of MSD. Find LC. Got the question? 1 MSD is equal to 1 mm. 0 of the Vernier scale division lies between, while taking reading, 1.15 and 1.2, and 20 division of the Vernier scale is equal to 19 division of the main scale division. Find LC. Here we have to calculate the graduation of the scale. Graduation of the scale is equal to 1.20 minus 1.15. Okay. Graduation is 0.5 cm. Got it? That is 1 MSD is equal to 0.05. Oh, this is not the case. Okay. We have to find 1 MSD is equal to 0.05. Okay. And 20 division of the main scale, Vernier scale, is equal to 19 division of the main scale division. Then least count is equal to y minus x by y into a. Okay, this formula will be applied. Okay, y minus x is equal to what? This is equal to 0.05 cm, and number of division again y minus x is equal to 1. Okay, y minus x, y is equal to 20, this is 20 minus 19 by y is equal to number of digits 20 into a is equal to 0.05. Okay, this count will be 1 upon 20 to 0.05. Okay, this is equal to what? 0.25 by 100. Okay, 0.0025 cm. Okay, now another question. The main scale of a vernier caliper has n division per cm. The main scale of a vernier caliper has n division per cm. N division of the vernier caliper coincide with n-1 division of the main scale. Find LC, discount. Okay, this question is okay. The main scale of a vernier scale has n division per cm. N division of vernier cal coincide with the n-1 division of the main scale. Okay, we know the least count is equal to y minus x by y into a. Okay, now y minus x, y n division, y is equal to n minus x is equal to n minus 1 by y, number of division of the vernier scale n. Okay, now a is the graduation or the one main scale division. One main scale division is, it has n number of division for 1 cm, that is a is equal to 1 upon n cm. Okay, 1 upon n into 1 upon n cm. Okay, it is n minus into 1 by n cm is equal to 1 by n into 1 by n is equal to 1 by n square cm. Least count is equal to 1 upon n square. Okay, or we can use a direct formula. Here we know that y minus x, or the vernier scale has extra division than the main scale division, then least count is equal to 1 MSD by number of VSD, vernier scale division. 1 MSD is equal to 1 by n by number of division n is equal to 1 by n square cm. Okay, least count, direct formula. Okay, another question is, now do this question. In a vernier caliper, n division of vernier scale, n division of vernier scale coincide with n minus n division of main scale. One MSD is given is equal to 1 mm. Find least count. Okay, clearly this is the case of y minus x is equal to 1. Y, vernier caliper n division of vernier scale coincide with n minus 1, that is y is equal to n minus x is equal to n minus 1, this is equal to 1. Okay, and 1 MSD is equal to 1 mm. Okay, least count is equal to 1 main scale division by 1 main scale division by number of vernier scale division is equal to 1 mm, it is 1 mm by number of vernier scale division is equal to n. This is equal to 1 by n mm or 1 by 10 n cm. Okay, least count is equal to 1 by 10. And so many cases are there, we will discuss later.